लड़कियां कोई नहीं है? आप लोग ही हो?
बाहर हैं।
है? अच्छा।
लग गए शायद से बुलाए।
हाँ ठीक है तो आए कि नहीं आए?
और मतलब क्या समझा नहीं मैं क्वेश्चन आपका।
माई क्वेश्चन वॉज हैव दे कम फॉर द क्लास और देव नॉट कम? दे
मतलब
हैव
कहाँ
कम?
कहाँ बाहर हैं।
यस यस यस। 47। 47 हो गया। यू आर लेट। हाउ कम यू आर लेट? गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग। काय? हाउ इज द टेस्ट? गुड. डिड यू गिव द टेस्ट?
यस मैम।
हाउ वाज इट?
था अच्छा बट मैम राइटिंग स्पीड थोड़ी कम है मेरी।
अच्छा
मगर 3 या 2 क्वेश्चन रह गए उधर तो उतना बस आता था। जितने भी लिखे थे आया था।
चलो आई टोल्ड यू दैट वील डू द नोट मेकिंग एंड दिस अगेन. समरी हाँ. टुडे. No problem. I'll explain it once more. The summary, okay? Okay. So can you see this? This is like a text. A text is given that there are two ways to become wealthy, to create wealth or to take wealth from others and so on. Now what they have done, they have just made a small summary of it. Okay, so whenever whatever text is given to you, if you make a small thing out of it, you will call it as a summary, right? So let's do one thing. uh, this is your first part na? This is your first part, right? Make a summary out of it in very short.
मैम इजी बन कर।
करना है. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग हो नहीं हो? ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स यू ऑल आर देयर? मोहम्मद अंतरी वाला एंड समीर, यू ऑल आर देयर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now this is your paragraph. This is your paragraph, the first section. Okay, you read that paragraph and make a very short summary out of it. Means
लिटरेचर वाले में।
no, not in literature, do it in grammar. We are doing summary and note making today. Okay, I'm giving you all how to make note and how to do summary. Okay, say
मैम
now.
लास्ट टाइम मैंने नोट मेकिंग किया था समरी की जगह पे.
Yeah, last time we did summary na?
यस मैम.
Yeah, okay. So now this is exactly now what is there. Now out of this you all make again a summary. Fast. चलो ना दीप, हाँ चालू करो. हाँ, actually I want to take it all the way till here but I cannot take the screen so much. मुझे ये वाला भी include करना ही है.
वो मना दिया मैंने।
मना दिया आपने? ओ वाओ.
सारे
सब
चैप्टर्स।
कुछ?
हाँ।
ओके.
हेल्प ली थी। खुद से भी किया है।
खुद से किया है?
खुद से थोड़ा बहुत किया है, हेल्प ली थी मेरी। लिटरेचर सारा।
क्या आपने क्या बोला? प्ली थी,
हेल्प ली थी, हेल्प।
हेल्प ली थी।
बाकी मैम इसमें तो सारा खुद से किया था वैसे, जितना भी था।
अच्छा, चैप्टर 1 का ना इंटेक्स क्वेश्चंस आपने लिख दिए। 1.1 किधर है? चैप्टर 1 में ना थोड़ा आपको ज़्यादा है लिखने का, आई थिंक। सी नाउ इट इज़ बेटर ना, अंडरस्टैंडेबल है ना? आपका तो हैंड राइटिंग है नहीं, ठीक है चलेगा। अभी से मत करना, चैप्टर 5 आपका है, थोड़ा सा देखेंगे। ऑब्वियसली ऑब्वियसली आई हैव टू इन्फॉर्म यू ना। चलो, you all have finished writing the summary? Fast, fast, chalo. The first thing for making the summary is you will read it, and whichever line you feel is important, you are going to write that down. Fast.
समरी मैम।
Summary means making it short. Make, हाँ ये जो है शॉर्ट में करना है आपको। ये कितने हैं पैराग्राफ? 2 पैराग्राफ है ना, एक पैरा में मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 लाइंस में आपका खत्म हो जाए।
इसका कोई ऐसे स्पेसिफिक कोई चीज़ नहीं है जिसका शॉर्ट करके आना है? जैसे पहले वाले में विंड एनर्जी था, तो सारा जितना भी विंड एनर्जी से रिलेटेड फैक्ट थे वो।
हाँ, दिस इज अबाउट दिस इज ऑल्सो विंड अ लिटिल बिट।
विंड का ही मैं पूरा सारे विंड से रिलेटेड सब कुछ लेके फिर।
We don't need to, but we don't need to do that way, मतलब you just need to make it. चलो फास्ट, जल्दी 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 करो, so then I can go to note making. Go go. Mohammad Antriwala, Sameer and Mohammad Zaid, you are making a summary of this paragraph.
मैम
Sameer and Mohammad Zaid, you all are there or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You all are making a
Yes, ma'am.
summary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sameer, you are only going to answer first the summary. Next 2 minutes, huh?
मैम टाइटल्स।
Tides. water tides in the sea.
वो एनर्जी है।
Because of tides, they are generating, they're putting generators there, they're putting turbines there. So that movement is causing the turbines to move. And those turbines rotate the generators. And that is how electricity is generated there. I'll show you all a video if there is time permitting. No, it's really beautiful. I think Netherlands is doing tidal. Yes, Netherlands uses a lot of green energy. You're done? क्या है आप पढ़ो. Good, good enough. Yes. समीर चलो आप बोलो.
I didn't finish. Wait.
Fast, can't take so much time. समीर चलो डन. Sameer, are you done?
No, man.
What have you written up till now? Read. What have you written up till now? Read. Sameer, I'm asking you something. What have you written up till now? Read. Can you hear me, Sameer? Mohammed Zaid, what have you read up till now? Sorry, what have you written up till now? Read. Ibrahim, why are you late?
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Late. The class starts at 11:45.
Yeah,
Yeah.
at one washroom.
Okay, Mohammed Zaid, read whatever you have written.
I have written that uh, in, in India's position as the world's fifth largest producer of wind energy emerges various sources of clean energy.
Can you
It
read it from the start again? I can't hear you properly. Are you wearing a earphone, Zaid?
yeah,
Okay, read
yes,
again.
yes, ma'am.
Read again. Read again.
India's position as the world's fifth largest
No, no.
producer of
Please
wind
start again.
energy.
Please start again, Zaid. Mohammed Zaid, please start again.
The position of India as the world's fifth largest producer of wind energy and mentions various sources of clean energy. It it explains well that wind turbines convert kinetic energy of the world into mechanical power.
You've not written anything related to the first para. Only you've written about the fifth producer.
Yes, ma'am.
So see, it's okay, but you could have at least added this, you could have added this, that today man is trying to search uh, clean energy from solar, wind, tidal, water, and biogas. Correct? That is the first line that you can give. Then you can write India is the fifth largest producer of wind energy. That is the second sentence that you can put. Third sentence, wind energy is derived from a process by using wind turbines which convert the kinetic energy into mechanical energy, and the generator converts this mechanical energy into electricity. समझा? So this is how I have made the whole thing very very short. आप पढ़ो, आपने क्या लिखा है? ये लाइन लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. You could have directly written wind energy is derived to a process using wind turbines which convert the kinetic energy into kinetic energy in the wind into the mechanical energy, and the generator converts this mechanical energy into electricity. ये last line भी लिखना ज़रूरी है. लिखा है? Yes, समझा? आपने क्या लिखा है? You finished?
मतलब मैम तो इतना से
पढ़ो, आपने क्या लिखा है?
today we want the desired clean energy. We have now solar, wind, water, tidal, and even biogases. India has reasons to be proud because India has the world's only ministry for renewable energy sources. India is also the world's fifth largest producer of wind energy.
यहाँ तक लिखा है आपने. ठीक है. ये जो इंडिया वाला है ना, आप स्किप भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है?
मैं सोच रहा था पर
नहीं, ठीक है.
स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक नहीं था ना कि किस चीज के ऊपर इसमें.
हाँ, ठीक है. अंडरस्टूड दिस. अभी नाउ फॉर दिस इफ आई हैव टू मेक अ नोट मेकिंग, this was summary making. Summary mein what you did, whatever the para was there, you just made a short summary, whatever you had to negate it. Now what am I going to do? Now I'm going to make a note making. So they are two different things. Okay? आज ये लगा नहीं है. नहीं, वो कनेक्टर भी नहीं है.
और कंटिन्यू करूँ वो लिखना.
हाँ, continue. Okay, wait. Right now, don't continue. Now I'm doing note making. That was summary making, which you're getting for 5 marks. Now I'm going to do note making, which is coming for 4 marks. Okay. Now if I have to make a note, notes will always be written in points. Always remember that. Notes will always be written in points. And make sure when you're writing notes, there has to be points like 1, 2, 3. After 1, 2, 3, inside also 1 you can have A, B, C. Means points and sub points. Okay. And there will always be a heading. You need to name it. So there has to be a heading to whatever you are doing. Okay. And at the end, whatever you have done, you have to use abbreviation. What do you mean by abbreviation? Some word that is used for short. For example. So if you are using EG, you will have to write example. So you need to make sure that when you are doing note making, you need to add all these things, because there is 1 mark given for abbreviation. There is 1 mark given for headings and points, and there are 2 marks given for your content, whatever you are writing inside. So if this para I had to make a note, how will I make, what will be my heading in this? What can I add as a heading to this? Clean energy. I can give the heading as clean energy. What is the first point that I can add? So you can write it is a buzzword. This is a catchy word, right? Buzzword, clean energy. What are the second point? You can write sources. What are the sources? In this you can write sources, some sub points. A, sun. B, wind. C, tides. D, water. E, biogas. Correct? So I have included that. Now I need to also put, now I can go more further. Now I can put this India, no? So I can put third point, India status. I can put a point as India status, no? What is the India status? So I can use fifth largest producer. And second one, only country with Ministry of for renewable energy. बराबर है? So this way I'm going to write the points. Right? Now in this, if I had to add some abbreviation, where can I use abbreviation? I can put abbreviations. I can put arrows also. I can do something like this sort. I can do like this sort. I can do like this. I can write example. Here I have used the word fifth. Fifth also will come in the abbreviation. So when you're writing, once you finish writing this, now you will write abbreviation. After abbreviation you will write what is the word that you have used. So you will write fifth, and then you will write in English fifth, in figures and in words, right? This is how you will do it. Okay, कर सकते हो आप लोग? हाँ, do it. You are not going to copy it. You're going to do it on your own. You can write the same. नहीं, खुद से करना है. मतलब कॉपी नहीं करना है, खुद से करना है. चलो, do it fast. चलो fast.
Nine, sir.
हाँ? Yes, tell me. Who was saying? अंतरी वाला, you were saying something.
ये कुछ
आपका ना आज माइक एकदम से कुछ भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, अंतरी वाला. Make sure when you're writing the last part, after that you will write abbreviation. Underline it, and whatever you have put into abbreviation, you put it there. Okay, so in note making, remember headings. हेडिंग देना है, पॉइंट देना है, सब पॉइंट देना है, कंटेंट बनाना है, एंड द लास्ट वन इज एब्रीविएशन. समरी में जस्ट कंटेंट, नो हेडिंग्स, नो पॉइंट्स, नथिंग.
नहीं बट इसमें कैसे कंटेंट बनाना है वो देखिए.
जो अभी मैं बना रही थी ना, जो अभी है उसको पॉइंट्स में बना दो. इट्स जस्ट लाइक हाउ यू लर्न, हाउ यू स्टडी. हाँ, लिखो ना. Online students, you all understood? See, I really can't know if you all are telling the truth, whether you all are writing, you all are not writing. बराबर है? I believe that you all, आप लोग लिख रहे हो और आप लोग कर रहे हो. This is for your good, क्योंकि अगर आप ये कर रहे हो, 5 marks for summary making, 4 marks for note making. 9 marks are done for you for English examination. Okay, out of 100. So please do it एकदम से बराबर से. एब्रिविएशन आएगा पूरा आपके ये प्रोसेस में. व्हेन यू डू द प्रोसेस ना आपको एब्रिविएशन आएगा. सी कैसे आएगा एब्रिविएशन. सी I'll write the third one for you. थर्ड पॉइंट आएगा आपका विंड एनर्जी generation process. So then you will write wind energy, bracket में आप लिखोगे kinetic energy, then you will write wind turbines, फिर आप लिखोगे converts it into what? Mechanical power. फिर उसके बाद वो मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ, आप नीचे लिखना. हाँ, then that will go into the generator which will convert it into electricity. तो ये जो आपके lines है ना, that will come in your abbreviation and you will write next step or you can write it as next process, next procedure. समझा? मैकेनिकल पावर के बाद जनरेटर एंड देन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. हाँ, वो जो एरो है आप बताओगे एज नेक्स्ट स्टेप. हाँ, दिस यू हैव टू राइट. विंड एनर्जी गोज इनटू द विंड एनर्जी का काइनेटिक एनर्जी गोज इनटू टर्बाइंस कन्वर्ट्स इट इनटू मैकेनिकल पावर दैट गोज इनटू द जनरेटर एंड द जनरेटर जनरेट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. हाँ, तो ये जो एरोज आप करोगे ना, दैट इज नेक्स्ट स्टेप. कि इसके बाद क्या हो रहा है, इसके बाद क्या हो रहा है. दैट एरो इज शोइंग यू दैट इट इज गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. दीप आपको समझ रहा है? आपने समरी किया, पूरा कर दिया. मैं आपका देखती हूँ समरी. विंड एनर्जी के बाद मैंने लिखा है काइनेटिक एनर्जी. प्रोसेस. ये सी काइनेटिक एनर्जी को भी आप शॉर्ट फॉर्म में के ई लिख सकते हो. सो यू कैन राइट दैट ऑल्सो.
समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. ओके. चलो. Okay. Can you see this whiteboard on online students? Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to make a note making. We are going to do a note making of the first two paras of this chapter, Fuel of the Future. Right? For doing a note making, your first step is that you need to give a good title. Title, yes, heading. So the first title that I'm going to put here is, the title that I'm putting is Clean Energy. Done? Clear? Now what I need to do is I need to put whatever is there in those two paragraphs as a point. So the first point that I need to consider is, it is a buzzword.
Clean energy.
Right? It is a buzzword. Okay. What is the second thing? From where do you get clean energy? So we have given it as sources, and in that you can give A, B, C, D and E. So A will be your sun. You can write in brackets solar. Then you can write wind. Then
Wind.
you get tides. You can write it as tidal. Then D you will write it as
Water.
You will write it as hydro, and the fifth one you will write it as biogas. Clear? Okay. Then they are talking about the next two sentences. They are talking about India. So you can write India is proud. आप वैसे भी लिख सकते हो. India is proud. Why? because of ha.
Ministry,
First is the
Yes.
only ministry for renewable energy source. And what was the second point?
fifth largest country to have wind energy.
फिफ्थ लार्जेस्ट कंट्री टू हैव विंड एनर्जी राइट. अभी ये आपका फर्स्ट पैरा हो गया. नाउ टू द सेकेंड पैरा. सेकेंड पैरा विल बी पॉइंट नंबर 4. Point number 4. Now in the second para what they have done, they have explained the process how wind energy is generated. So what I can write here, the fourth point ka heading, what I can write,
That is growing.
wind energy generation process, right? Wind energy generation process. So what is the first thing that happens when wind energy comes? So you can write wind energy, and wind energy has what? Kinetic energy
What
inside.
is growing?
That is
वैसे भी लिख
that is
सकते हैं ना
going
फास्ट
that is going into the turbines, which is making it into a mechanical power. That mechanical power is now going into the generator, which is making it into electricity, right? This is your note making of the first two paragraphs. So when I did this arrow, it is showing me a process. For example, we will be doing a lot of practice of this note making. In that, one such note making is making coffee beans, making coffee out of coffee beans. That entire process is there. So then that also you will have to do like this. It's a process, na? So wherever there are processes, you will use this arrow marks. समझा अभी मोहम्मद अंतरी वाला?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
अभी समझ में आ गया.
Ibrahim and who else is there? Zaid came back. He had left the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
You all understood?
No, ma'am. Can you explain once more?
I'll explain it once more. Okay. See, whenever there are two things, okay? One is summary making and one is note making. Okay. Whenever there is a summary making, whatever is there in front of you, you have to reduce it. At least reduce it to half of it. Okay, if not half, at least 3/4 of it. So if supposing you have a paragraph which is like 10 lines, you have to reduce it to 5 or 6 lines. That is what you call it as a summary. Means in short. For example, जब मैं सिखाती हूँ, when I'm teaching you, do I teach the entire textbook? No. What do? I will explain you the important points, the main points. That is called as summary. I'm making a summary out of it, and I'm explaining it to you. Okay. Now what is called as note making? Now whenever you are attending my class, you are making your own notes while I'm explaining it. So when you make notes, you will make notes in point form. So for example, today I spoke about clean energy. So you will write the heading as clean energy. What points did I speak about? Clean energy is the buzzword today. Secondly, what did I tell you all about? What are the sources? Then third point, what I told you, how India is very proud because of 2 points. One point is it has the only ministry for renewable source, and secondly it is the fifth largest producer. Okay. Then the fourth point is how I explained you that how the wind is being generated, how the kinetic energy in the wind is going into the turbines, and the turbines are making that kinetic energy into mechanical power. That mechanical power thrust goes into the generator, and the generator makes electricity out of it. So that is how from wind's kinetic energy you end up with electricity, right? So this entire process, while I was explaining it to you, you just made a note of it. So that is we called as note making. Samjha, Ibrahim? Ibrahim understood?
Ma'am.
Sorry, your voice broke. Can you say again? Yes or no? Some internet issues come. Okay. Anyways, now once you finish this, you need to make an abbreviation of whatever abbreviation you used. What were the abbreviation used? The first one we used was fifth. So we wrote down the word fifth. Second one, we use the abbreviation KE. So I wrote it as kinetic energy. Third one, I'm doing this arrow. That means next step. Any other abbreviation we have used? Anything? Sub points will not be abbreviation. Sub points will not go into the abbreviation. Hydro. Fourth. Hydro will be hydroelectricity. Understood? For writing this entire thing, you will get 4 marks. You write this properly, you get 4 marks. Summary is so very easy. You write summary well, you get 5 marks. Okay? Yes. Okay? Understood this very well? Tomorrow we'll practice this again. Okay? Because this week I want to practice with summary and note making with y'all. So by Saturday y'all are thorough with it. So on Saturday I'm going to compulsorily give you in grammar summary and note making. One summary and one note making example. Understood? Everyone understood? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Abbreviation you don't have to put points. ओके सो फॉर होमवर्क आप लोग के पास टेक्स्ट बुक्स है ना ऑनलाइन किड्स टेक्स्ट बुक है ना ऑनलाइन वाले
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ दिस थर्ड सेक्शन का आप नोट मेकिंग करके आओगे कल फॉर होमवर्क ओके थर्ड सेक्शन का नोट मेकिंग करके आओगे टेक्स्ट बुक्स है आप लोग के पास नेट से ले लोगे ना आप भी नेट से ले लोगे टेक्स्ट बुक नेट पे मिलती है ना इट इज़ अ फ्री डाउनलोड यू गो टू NIOS वेबसाइट भी मिलेगा या तो आप दत्ता अकेडमी के साइट पे भी जाओगे तो वहाँ से भी आपको टेक्स्ट बुक मिलेगा ओके सो दिस सेक्शन 3 कल आपको नोट मेकिंग करके आना है क्लियर है यस हाँ हमने किया ही नहीं did we do it
ये मैम क्या है?
we did summary making did we do note making
No, note making नहीं किया.
हाँ तो note making I'm telling you make a note making summary we did note making you all have to do okay home science yeah home science we are on our tables na vitamin K yes yes continue drawing now we are going to vitamin B क्या हुआ लास्ट ईयर से बहुत ज़्यादा लेजी हो गए ना आप क्यों क्योंकि 3 एग्जाम्स हो गए उसी लिए ऐसे मत सोचो ट्राई टू फिनिश योर वर्क दिस का ईयर studying learning so that you get time at home to do something else chalo finished write down vitamin B complex okay I wanted to explain this to you why do we call it vitamin B complex because it is complicated because when I say vitamin B there is not only one vitamin there are approximately 8 vitamins vitamin B so They are a group of vitamin B's. Very small picture. Okay, can you see this? Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Vitamin B3, niacin. Vitamin B4, adenine. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B7, inositol. Inositol. Vitamin B8, biotin. Vitamin B9, folate. And vitamin B12, cobalamin. So all vitamins are different, but together we are summing it up and we are calling it vitamin B complex. It's like a group of them together. It's like which noun? Collective noun. Yes, collective noun. It is a collective noun. That is why we call it as vitamin B12. Chalo, what are the sources? You will get vitamin B12 from all the non-veg source, especially meat. लिखो, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and liver. What are the sources of vitamin B12 from this? Cereals and pulses, and green leafy vegetables and milk. So basically, vitamin B12 is there in everything. Everything. What is left? Nothing is left. Yes, B12. Sorry, vitamin B complex. Finish writing?
No, ma'am.
Done? Now we'll see the functions.
Last source.
Let me explain, then you can write. Okay. Now, what is important? Why is vitamin B12 important? It is important for utilizing. It is important for utilize. Means if you want to utilize your carbohydrates in your body, then you require vitamin B. All these vitamin Bs. Only if that is there, then only will your carbohydrates we can use it for what is the function for giving us energy. That process will be complete only if there is vitamin B complexes. Okay. Secondly, it is necessary for the functioning of the nervous system. Nervous system को अगर function करवाना है अच्छे से, so then you require vitamin B complexes. Next is, it is essential for proper growth, any kind of proper growth. Vitamin B is required. It is helping for the body organs, for all the body organs to function. That also you require. So this proper growth and body organs functioning, it is the same point, right? It is very important, required for formation of RBC, red blood cells. RBC. So if you want to form, how many, I told you all something about RBC. What did I tell you all? Something I told about RBC. What did I tell? Did I tell you all or 10th standard? I don't know. Do you all know any fact about RBCs? Where are RBCs found? In the blood. In the blood. Our blood is made up of RBC, right? That is why the color is red, right? Huh? Right? What else? RBCs die after 120 days. Means after every 4 months, the RBCs go for breakdown. So new red blood cells are made from your bone marrow. What is a bone marrow? The bone marrow is the part, that soft part which is there inside in the bone. Because you all are all non-vegetarians, I'm very sure you all must be having that nalli. That nalli. Why it is black in color? Because it is actually red in color. It is actually the blood. But after cooking it becomes black. You've never eat? Do you eat non-veg? So if you've eaten meat, in that meat, you know that there is that bone, and inside the bone that black part is there. हाँ? फिश में नहीं होता है. फिश में कहाँ से आएंगे? बोन तो ना खाते हम फिश के. गोट मीट यू ईट?
गोट मीट मैम एक ही बार खाया था.
अच्छा, तो देन यू.
मैम निहारी में होता है.
हाँ, निहारी में होता है. दैट इज कंपल्सरी. निहारी तो इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट इट. So that is the bone marrow. That is the part where your red blood cells are made. So after every 120 days your red blood cells die and new red blood cells are made. So that is how the body makes the balance. Yes.
In which part of the bone is the bone marrow?
Just inside the bone. Just in between. The bone, your bones are hollow. This is your bone. For example, this is your bone, no? This is your bone. The bone is hollow from here. And in that hollow part, your red blood cells or the bone marrow is there.
So it's in all the bones.
Right from your head till the toe, wherever your bone is there. All the bones. All the bones. Yeah, not the flat ones, huh? Not though the flat ones. The ones that are like sturdy ones, like this ones. Joints maybe hoga. Femur, right? Okay, so for formation of red blood cells you require vitamin B. You have to have bone marrow. Bone marrow ke bina you cannot live. You don't lack it. What happens is when people have cancer, find out, solve it. So when people have cancer of the blood, so blood cancer means it is there in your entire body. How can you chalo, if there is blood cancer, if there is cancer of the thyroid, you remove thyroid. If there is cancer of the breast cancer, you remove the breast. If there is cancer in the brain, you remove that part of the brain. You can do all these things. If there is blood cancer, if there is blood cancer, how can you remove blood from your body? Even if you remove blood, that bone marrow is going to make that same blood, and you're going to again have cancer. So what they do is they remove little part of the bone marrow and they put a new part of the bone marrow, so that the new cells that are made are not infected ones. So that is how you do bone marrow transplant. Okay. Next, vitamin B is also required. It also helps in digestion and improves appetite. So many functions are there of vitamin B complexes. Okay, write down fast. Finish the sources and then write functions. Appetite is hunger or the capacity to eat food. Marked, which I've marked, now you write that only. Don't write extra words. You finish writing, Deep? Vitamin B deficiency. Don't know, but vitamin B deficiency won't be one because there are so many vitamin Bs, no? So there will be all different ones. So that is, yeah, so you have different, like B1 deficiency, B8 deficiency, B9, folic acid. Folic acid is B9. It is very important for women, especially when they are trying to have a child and after they are pregnant. So at that time they get special extra tablets of vitamin B12, vitamin B9. So they don't lose teeth. It causes a lot of pain in those nerves. So the best solution is that, because you're already pregnant and you cannot take so much pain, it's going to go and affect the fetus. So the best thing is to remove it. So you don't lose it, but then you will have to go and undergo into an extraction process. So see, you are asking a vitamin B deficiency, beriberi, pellagra, anemia, all these other deficiencies of vitamin B.
I've heard that A vitamins also, so I was thinking
A vitaminosis is of K.
K.
K. That you all had done in 10th standard.
हाँ कि मैं ऐसे आधा यहाँ पे आधा यहाँ पे बी कॉम्प्लेक्स का ऐसे कर सकते हैं
हाँ चलेगा. एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स अब भी कुछ नहीं है. चलो, if you all finish writing, I'll go to vitamin C. Online students, you all finish?
1 second, ma'am. 1 second.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Ibrahim, you're going to send me your notes. Zed, I've not got your also notes.
Ma'am, which chapter?
I'll submit half the notes today.
Okay. All the chapters, Mohammed Zaid, whatever you've not submitted. You know what you must have submitted.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now will be vitamin C. Vitamin C, what are the sources? Vitamin C is all the citrus, all the khatta ones. Okay? Yeah. Citrus fruits like amla, orange, lemon, and guava also. Hmm? Hmm? Kiwi also, yes. Kiwi. Tamarind also, yes. Tamarind. Kokum, yes. Tomatoes, in fact, for that matter, even tomatoes also. Okay? Green leafy vegetables will be your spinach and your cabbage. That also there's a lot of vitamin C. And sprouted pulses. Sprouted pulses मतलब मटकी, जो यहाँ पे in Pune we call it matki, but there you must be getting it as sprouts, mixed sprouts, yes, mixed sprouts, the normal sprouts also, any kind of sprouts. Yeah, the 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 uh, the time you start doing sprouting. Okay, so for example, it's a seed. It's like a normal gram seed. The minute you start doing sprouting of it, the vitamin C gets generated. मतलब पहले vitamin C नहीं होता है आपके pulses में. The minute you start doing sprouting process of it, vitamin C is getting generated in that seed because it is required for the plant to grow. So automatically the plant is making vitamin C. Okay, I'll scroll up. Fine. Done. We'll discuss the functions. The first function is it is necessary for the formation of substance that holds the cells together. So for holding the cells together, you require vitamin C. It's like the the Fevicol. It's like the Fevicol. Whatever. एक second, just let me discuss. Then I'll take it up. It's like the Fevicol which is keeping the cells together. Okay. Secondly, it is required for strong teeth and bones. You require vitamin C. Okay. It is also required for the formation of production of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is present on the red blood cells. Red blood cells. Okay. It is also required for the utilization of other nutrients in the body, and it helps in fighting germs. So it helps to fight the germs. Means when there was COVID, what were you all having? Kadha, no? What were you putting in the kadha at the end? Nimbu you were putting? Kadhe mein you were putting
Yes,
nimbu?
ma'am.
Yes. Why? Because
All
it is
masalas.
helping. It is helping you to fight against the germs. In fact, vitamin C also helps in lowering your body fat also. So that's why whenever people go on diet, no, they always tell that please add lemon to your everything, your salads, your food, your everything. Lemon water also in the morning they have, yes. ठीक है, चलो फास्ट चलो, राइट. हो गया आपका? क्या और ऊपर लूँ समर जी? हो गया? और ऊपर लूँ? आपको स्क्रॉल करना है ऊपर और कि नहीं? हो गया? Hmm? Anemia. It is called anemia. Finished? Hmm? Minerals बाकी है अभी. Why are you doing note making? Ask ना. हाँ. हाँ. What lines? Yeah. Yes. Yes. So that is nothing but they are random images that are made behind on your retina. That's it. That's why. They are no पिछले जन्म का कुछ तो भी they are
पिछला जन्म कहाँ से आ गया?
नहीं है.
बट ये किससे रिलेटेड था? थोड़ा बहुत था.
So she's asking sometimes, when you look at the, sometimes, especially when you look at the what do you call,
वो लाइट में वो
the light, and then when you see now, then you'll see the patches, you will see like those wormy things. Yeah. So those dots are nothing but they are random images that are made on your retina because your lens is not able to focus.
तो मैम पिछला जन्म कब से ये रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं?
फिनिश मैम.
You finish
एक बात
writing.
हो गई मैम, मेरे को दर्द हो रहा है, मेरे पिछले जन्म में यहाँ से कुछ हुआ है।
चलो करो कंटिन्यू. चलो अंतरी वाला फिनिश. Ibrahim and Zaid, you all finish writing.
ma'am.
Sleep. But it's not something related to AD. तो कहाँ तक पहुँचे आप समरजीत?
थर्ड फंक्शन पे हूँ और वो रिसोर्सेज लिखना
लिखना बाकी है. ओके तो होल्ड ऑन, बाद में लिखो. चलो. Classify the vitamins as this. चलो इब्राहिम टेल मी वाटर सॉल्युबल वाला.
टेबल फिनिश.
टेबल आपका नहीं, टेबल है. वी आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग दिस क्वेश्चन गोइंग टू मिनरल्स नाउ. इब्राहिम चलो गिव मी द आंसर. ए बी सी डी ई के में से विच आर वाटर सॉल्युबल?
C and K, ma'am.
नो, नॉट के. सी बराबर है. दूसरा बी बी
C and D.
बी बी.
D.
फैट सॉल्युबल मोहम्मद अंतरी वाला. विच आर फैट सॉल्युबल?
जो बचा है
ई.
ए डी ई
ई.
के.
K.
एडेक. रिमेंबर दिस. फैट सॉल्युबल एडेक, वाटर सॉल्युबल बी एंड सी. ये आपको लिखना नहीं है, ठीक है? आई एम जस्ट डिस्कसिंग विथ यू ऑल. State whether true or false. Vitamin C is produced when body is exposed to sunlight. एक सेकेंड. बोलो आंसर. फॉल्स. क्या है राइट आंसर? She did not know the answer. Vitamin D is produced when the body is exposed to sunlight. चलो. Vitamin A helps to keep our eyes healthy. आप ही बोलो. True. चलो. Vitamin K. I'm asking. Vitamin K helps in keeping a feeling of hunger. देख सकते हो आप पीछे.
नहीं मैम, फॉल्स.
क्या है विटामिन के का फंक्शन?
क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड.
Clotting of blood. So that is false. So which helps to keep ourselves hungry?
सी.
Vitamin C makes us hungry. C.
हाँ लिखा है हेल्प्स इन डाइजेशन एंड इम्प्रूव्स आईसाइट.
You know what? Appetizer.
लिखा है
B complex के लिए लिखा है कि
मैम, बी कॉम्प्लेक्स के लिए.
B है.
यस मैम.
Vitamin B complex helps to make ourselves hunger.
इम्प्रूव्स.
Vitamin E is necessary for clotting. Dhanushri. True, false? False. कौन सा है आंसर?
के.
विटामिन के. दीप आप बोलोगे नेक्स्ट. विटामिन ए एंड बी आर नेसेसरी फॉर स्ट्रॉन्ग टीथ एंड बोन्स. ओए फॉल्स. क्या है आंसर?
विटामिन सी.
एंड दो आएगा. डी भी है ना. विटामिन डी एंड विटामिन सी both are necessary for making our teeth and bones strong. हम तो विटामिन की
Uh,
yes
do I have to submit the notes in PDF form or
Yes.
normally I can submit
yes
from?
PDF form only. So when you will go on Google Classroom na, There are all those
Yeah.
sections made, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Just go there and
Okay.
click. So as soon as you'll keep on clicking photos, na, it gets saved. When you submit it, it gets saved as PDF only. You just have to
Okay, ma'am.
click and submit it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo, next topic we'll go to minerals. There are approximately 19 minerals that are required by the body. See, now there is such a big para. उसमें से मैंने सिर्फ summary निकाल के क्या बताया आपको? 19 minerals. That is called as a summary. समझा? चलो चलो फर्स्ट मिनरल लिखो कैल्शियम. टेबल में टेबल में लिखो कैल्शियम. टेबल में न्यूट्रिएंट के नीचे लिखो कैल्शियम. सोर्सेज में लिखो मिल्क कर्ड फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स. थर्ड पॉइंट रागी एंड फोर्थ पॉइंट ऑयल सीड्स.
सॉस में
Sources, yes, sources. First source is milk curd. Second is green leafy vegetables. Third is ragi. Fourth is oil seeds. Function. First function is bone formation. Second function is blood clotting. And third function is muscular contraction. Done? Yes. Deficiency. Deficiency of calcium is called as osteoporosis. Extra point, yes. In this what happens? The bones become brittle. Brittle मतलब easily टूट जाएंगे. तो एकदम जल्दी से person can get a fracture. Okay, so an extra point write down. Deficiency of calcium EP, my abbreviation. Abbreviation, extra point. What is the deficiency of calcium? Osteoporosis. In that the bones are becoming brittle. This question has come a lot of times. Explain the functions of calcium. Now that question comes for 2 marks. So in that you need to write 4 points. Now here in the functions that are given only 3 points. Bone formation, blood clotting and muscular contraction. What can you add as a fourth point? You can write na bone formation तो लिखा है, तो you can write teeth formation also. Fourth point, हाँ, fourth point में लिख दो teeth formation. So it automatically, when you're learning, you automatically learn it with that. Hmm? still calcium is there, iron is there, and then we'll be doing iodine. Water and water we will be writing, because water I think the functions are also given, na? Water is H2 only. Then after that, what is there? That's it, na? That finishes the chapter, na? So this entire chapter is just there in table formation for you all. So it's just very easy for you all to learn it. This chapter is there for the test next to next Saturday. तब तक तो 2 चैप्टर और फूड के हो जाएंगे. नहीं, जितने चैप्टर्स होंगे मैं उतने लूँगी. So you'll open the books, you'll read it, you learn it. So by the time it is exam time, you are already done with 50% of it at least, if not 100%. Chalo, done? Yes. Okay. So online students, you all finish writing. निकल गए सब तो.
How do we pronounce it? Iron or iron?
Iron.
नहीं
Not
मैम.
R is
Finish.
silent. Okay. Andriwal, if you finish, you can leave the class and you can go to the next class. I think there's still time for that class.
मैम बहुत टाइम है.
बहुत टाइम है क्यों
10
कितने?
मिनट है.
12:59.
हाँ तो we finish now 1 o'clock our class. So no.
सर लेट लेते थोड़ा.
अच्छा sir break, sir takes a break.
Yeah.
5-10 minutes. Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Andriwala, you finished?
मैम
Vitamin C.
हाँ या नहीं?
फिनिश.
Finished?
Finished.
Okay. So you can leave. आपका बाकी ना लिखने का लिख दो.
Vitamin C. बाकी सब हुआ है.
ठीक है. You all can pack up and leave. चलो bye. Yes. हाँ लाओ चेक कर देती हूँ मैं.